I had to think a lot before making this video, not only because what I'm about to say is controversial, but also because I believe that there is no point in talking about an issue without having a solution ready for it. मैं यहाँ कोई rant या कोई complaint करने तो बैठा नहीं हूँ. I thought about it a lot, and our opinions may differ. I'll put forth my opinion, my solutions, and you put forth yours. The issue I'm talking about is the ability of our generation to take two causes completely unrelated and twist them in such a way that the point of everything ceases to be. I'm not talking about what started the whole locker room incident, rather the aftermath, which blew out of proportions, became, and still is at this point, a fight between the two most popular genders, each side thinking itself to be right. An incident which couldn't have been any farther from the polarizing hashtags it has become. Congratulations, for you fucked up the point of it. And yes, I'm talking to you. You who defends the stance of not all men or yes all men, because it's not about that. It's not about you. It's about building a better future, a more peaceful future. लेकिन नहीं, किसी को सोल्यूशन के बारे में बात ही नहीं करनी, बिकॉज कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करने में गांड फट जाती है. अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस को साइड कर करके अपने ही प्रोपेगेंडा को फ्यूल करने से कोई फुर्सत मिले तो ना. सिलेक्टिव जजमेंट का ज़माना बना रखा है जहाँ पे आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखने वाले का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सही है और बाकी सब का ठन ठन गोपाल. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज ह्यूमन सबकी है, अपनी गलतियों से सीखने की और ये कलंक को अपने जनरेशन के नाम से हटाने की. सोल्यूशन ये नहीं है कि किसी और को गिल्टी फील कराने के लिए तुम किसी और के मौत के पोस्ट शेयर करो. सोल्यूशन ये है कि तुम ऐसी मौतें होने ही ना दो. दिस एंटायर ट्रायल बाय सोशल मीडिया इज टेयरिंग अस अपार्ट. हर साइड की अपनी स्टोरी है एंड द जनरल पब्लिक गेट्स स्वेड, गेट्स पोलराइज्ड, blowing the whole thing out of proportions. And I'm not saying you don't post stories about incidences which have happened to you. That's completely your discretion. All I'm saying is refrain from using usernames, photos, actual names and the lot before any actual trial takes place. Because incident after incident we see the same bullshit of people being driven to the point of insanity and then being proven innocent. Gender no bar. And it's not like these incidences will suddenly stop. But if you decide to take the proper steps, then slowly, through fear of prosecution, we can, as a community and as a generation, drive these half-wits out of our DMs, out of our lives, and out of the limelight. Passing the baton and saying shit like, "तो क्या भाई, XYZ भी तो कर रहे हैं," does not give a free pass to anyone. And gender isn't a factor that should factor in this debate. The difference between being overtly sexual and being appreciative is a hard one to make out, sure. But whenever you do make out the difference, be sure to share a discovery with the rest of your peers. For once, let your conscience dictate what you post. Cross-check before you share, and do not let hatred towards a singular person possessing a singular chromosome different than you erupt out in a nonsensical mess of a day posting long paras defending your favorite artist while they run out from the backstage of this drama called social vigilantism, जहाँ जज भी तुम हो, नेता भी तुम हो और साला ऑफिसर भी तुम हो. Think about it. Don't lose focus. Bad people are bad. No one else. Send smiling pics. Psych out.